So in this our video, we are going to talk about what? Theory of what? Logarithms. Okay? Now let us start with what? Definition. Okay. Now, logarithm of what? Any number n to base, say base a, is the power of what? Of the base to obtain what? The number what? N. Okay? Mathematically, we can write that log n to base what? To base a. Okay? Now, whatever number that this base will be raised to obtain the number on top is the result of this. Okay? Let us assume that a raised to the power of x equals n. That means the log n to base a is equals what? Is equals what? X. Now, we can, translate this to what? Indices. That a raised to power of what? X gives us what? Our n. So from here now, you can see that we can move from what? Logarithm to what? Indices. And also we can move from indices back to what? Logarithm. So in other words, logarithm is what? Opposite of what? Indices, right? Good. For example, okay, if I have log, let's say log 27 base what? 3 is equals what? From the definition of what? Logarithm. You see that 3 raised to the power of what? 3 gives us what? 27. That means logarithm of 27 to base 3 is equals what? Is equals 3, right? Good. Example 2. When I have log, let's say 128 to base 2 is equals what? Now, 2 raised to the power of what will give you 128? You see that 2 raised to the power of 7 gives us what? 128. That means the log of 128 to base 2 equals what? Is equals 7. That's very simple. Another example, when I have log of what? 1000 to base what? To base 10 is equals what? Now, whatever that the 10 will be raised to obtain what? 1000 is the result. And you see that 10 raised to the power of 3 equals what? 1000. That means logarithm of 1000 to base 10 simply means what? Simply means 3. Now, remember we can move from log to what? Indices. Let's start from the number I. Okay? This implies what? 3 raised to the power of what? 3 is equals what? Is equals what? 27. We can also move from logarithm to indices. This implies that what? 2 raised to the power of what? 7 equals what? Equals 128. The same thing is applicable here. You see that 10 raised to the power of what? 3 gives us what? 1000. So we can always move from what? From log to what? To indices. Okay? So in our next video, we are going to look at what? The laws governing what? Logarithm. So stay tuned. Thank you.